गोवा स्टेट बँकांत ज्या लोकांचे पैसे आसा तांकां भंय पडला तांचे पैसे वचत म्हण. अशा बँकांनी ल्हान मनशांचो पयसो आसता. ज्यो केशी मुखार आयल्यात तांचेर मुखेलमंत्र्यान लक्ष घालचें. हांची गंभीर दखल घेवची. ह्या बँकांनी गोंयच्या गरीब जनतेचो पयसो आसा अशें आमदार रेजिनाल्डान सांगलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
गोंयांत आमगे एपेक्स बँक आहा गोवा स्टेट. दादा, दीस बँक देर आर इश्यूज. लोकांक मदीं भंय पडला आहा तेंगे पयशे वसत म्हणून. नो डावट हे जे बँक आहे आतां मडगांव रुरबन सॉल बँक आहे ते बारीक लोकांचे पयसो आहा. आतां वी हॅव बीन कंप्लेनिंग. हांव इश्यू घेयत आहा एज फार एज द बँक्स आर कन्सर्न. हांव इश्यू कितें घेता, तांगेले फ्रॉड्स घेयले, तांगेले एक तेंगेले स्टेपाचेर तेंगेले कितें करून ताणें इवन फिक्स्ड अप हे हाव दे हॅव इवन उसूप केले ते प्रॉपर्टीज खंयच्यो एकदोरल्यो त्यो मॉर्गेजी दवरल्यो त्यो. All issues I've been taking. I'm writing to the Chief Minister. I've written to the Chief Minister to take up, to call for inquiry. He has assured me in the last assembly. Nothing has been done so far. On the contrary, new board is installed. Now, amge demand kiti ha. First, my demand is that all action to be taken on all the fellows. Those who are involved have to be brought to book. And especially ata, when banks are collapsing, when people are lokamat bhaya ha. लोकांक मुगे हे आहा विनंती आहा that banks on their own with the funds they have at present they can pay all the money. Don't worry, there's no issues. But zoritor government issue घेना, government zoritor action घेना on all these scams. I think it is a fraud on the people of Goa. Ata they have even manipulated the bank to get audit reports. They have manipulated even the latest reports what they have given for audit, they have manipulated. Now, how muge ekuch magne Chief Minister, take action against them. See that they are brought to book because the banks cannot collapse. If our banks collapse and our Apex Bank, amgele barik branches hai, amgele, I am a chairman of a small branch of a small bank. We are dependent on amge poiso tinta. So we are all dependent on the Apex Bank. No doubt, we have made investments in other banks also, no doubt. But then we are dependent on that bank. So, त्या bankan strong action जावपा जाय. A proper audit by Woodco or somebody has to be done. A qualified person has to be put to audit the whole accounts, and all the charges of whoever is there has to be the responsibility has to be given that you are responsible for whatever is happening.